Are you afraid of electricity? Have you ever been shocked when turning on the lights? If so, you have something in common with President Benjamin Harrison. I'm Bob Summers, and this is a presidential story. In September 1891, electricity came to the White House. As part of a government wiring project, a generator was installed next door in the basement of the State, War, and Navy building, today known as the Eisenhower Executive Office Building. The installation by the Edison Electric Company, later to become General Electric, ran wires from the generator in the building next door, across the White House lawn, and entered the White House under the conservatory. Wires were then buried in plaster, and round switches were installed in each room to turn the current on and off. Then, many of the existing gas lights and chandeliers were retrofitted to use the new electric wiring. The illumination had a magical effect on the executive mansion. At a reception shortly after installation, the Washington Post reported that guests were asked to enter a darkened east room. When the electric lights were turned on, quote, "The brilliant effect was greatly admired." Benjamin and Carolyn Harrison were the first residents to benefit from the electric lights. However, they were a bit afraid. After all, this was a fairly new technology. The first residence in the world illuminated by electric light was Underhill in Gateshead, England in 1880. The first residence in the U.S. powered by electricity was the Hearthstone House in Appleton, Wisconsin, 2 years later. And the light switch, invented in 1884 by England's John Henry Holmes, was the first to prevent arcing when the electric circuit was opened or closed. According to Ike Hoover, a 19-year-old electrician hired by the White House, the Harrisons refused to touch the light switches for fear of electric shock. Instead, the White House staff was in charge of turning the lights on and off. Rumor has it that if the staff was not around, the lights might stay on all night, but historians now doubt the truth of those stories. Despite his initial resistance to electricity, eventually President Harrison became an admirer. After leaving the presidency, he installed electric lights at his home in Indianapolis. At some level, I can understand the Harrisons' fear. With anything new, there can be unintended consequences, like electrocution. Personally, I'm keeping my eye on you, ChatGPT, or as I call it, Skynet. Are there any new inventions out there that you're wary of? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please click the like button and subscribe to hear more presidential stories. And please visit POTUS.com to learn more interesting facts about the presidents.